Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Foodtechinsight. As you know that all time our channel brings new and interesting video. Today is also very interesting video about the proteins. Here we will discuss about the protein, its structure, its function and from where we can get the proteins. So sources also. So let's start the video. Let's talk about the chemical composition of proteins. Proteins actually it is made with the amino acids. Okay, it is a complex molecule of amino acids. So what is amino acid? Amino acids are organic compounds which contains amino group and a carboxyl group. So basically it's there is a alpha carbon, no. So this is the chemical formula of amino acid if you can see. So this is the carboxyl group, this is amino group, and this is alpha carbon. Through alpha carbon one hydrogen atom attached and another one, that is the R group. Also we call it as a side chains. So हम क्या करते हैं जब यही R ग्रुप जो होता है ये एक एमिनो एसिड को दूसरे एमिनो एसिड से क्या करता है, डिफरेंशिएट करता है, क्योंकि ये R ग्रुप जो है ना वो चेंज होते रहता है. ओके. So, protein folding. The sequence of amino acids determines how a protein folds into its functional 3D structure. Okay. So, let's talk about the primary structure of proteins. Sequence. The primary structure is the linear sequence of amino acids in a protein. Okay, it's a linear, simple structure. Peptide bonds. How does peptide bonds form? So you can see in this image, this is the image of the primary structure of protein. Okay, so these circles with different colors are the amino acids, and the bonds through which it bonded to each other is the peptide bond. Okay, then how does peptide bond forms? When the amino acid, one amino acid, when the carboxyl group of one amino acid joins with the amino group of another amino acid, then it forms the peptide bond. Okay, so this one is so formula for this amino acid, you can see here that this is one amino acid. Okay, and this is another amino acid. When both joins together, then it forms a peptide bond and it removes the water molecule. Okay. Genetic code. The genetic code determines the sequence of amino acids in a protein, and it contains in what? It contains in the DNA. This is the secondary structure of protein. In secondary structure, it is nothing but the spatial arrangement of proteins by twisting of the polypeptide chain. Okay, so this is the alpha helix, which is helix is nothing but it is a helical form of a structure. Okay, so in this image you can see both alpha helix and beta pleated seated. Okay, this is the spiral structure which is alpha helix, and this is the pleated like this is the beta pleated seat. Okay. In this video, I am discussing very less about the structure part. Okay, I'll make another video on वहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे कि हम स्ट्रक्चर को अच्छे से समझने के लिए बहुत डीप में समझेंगे. एक और वीडियो मैं बनाऊंगा उसमें. सो दिस इज द टर्सरी स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्रोटीन्स. टर्सरी स्ट्रक्चर में क्या होता है, थ्री डायमेंशनल में जो है सब यूनिट्स जो है वो अरेंज होते हैं. ओके, सो यहाँ पे क्या क्या चीजें होती हैं. फर्स्ट इज द हाइड्रोफोबिक इंटरेक्शंस. हाइड्रोफोबिक टर्म्स मींस वाटर heating. Okay, so non-polar amino acids cluster together away from water, creating a hydrophobic core. Okay, disulfide bond. Cysteine residues can form disulfide bonds, stabilizing the tertiary structure. Okay, disulfide bonds is nothing but the bond between the sulfur atom of two cysteine residues. Protein domains. Tertiary structure often consists of distinct domains, each with a specific function. Then quaternary structure of proteins. It is a multiple subunits. Subunits means what? Subunits basically is a two or more polypeptide chains when clustered together. Then it is known as the subunits. Okay. Quaternary structure involves the association of multiple protein subunits. Assembly. Some units come together through interactions such as hydrogen bonds and hydrophobic interactions. Functional complexes. Many proteins exert their function as multimeric complexes with a quaternary structure. सो क्वार्टरनरी स्ट्रक्चर क्या है कि क्लस्टर है ऑफ सब यूनिट्स का। जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे अल्फा हेलिक्स है, ये बीटा प्लेटेड सीट है। तो जब प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी टर्सरी ऑल क्लस्टर टुगेदर नो देन इट फॉर्म्स अ क्वार्टरनरी स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्रोटीन्स. So let's see some functions of proteins. First one is the enzyme. Numerous proteins function as enzymes, assisting the body's metabolic processes. Molecule synthesis, metabolism, and digestion are among the processes that enzymes are involved. For example, if we see lipase that helps in the digestion of the fats in our guts. Okay, structural support. Tissue and cells are structurally supported by proteins. For example, collagen. Collagen is a protein. Okay, that contributes to the structural integrity of skin, tendons, and bones. Transport. It helps in the transportation of molecules also. For example, if we say that hemoglobin, I think everyone is aware about hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is what? It carries oxygen through our in our red blood cells. Okay, contraction. Protein helps in contraction. So myosin and actin are proteins that helps in muscle contraction. It also hormones. Certain protein function as hormones that control different physiological processes. Let's talk about the, for example, insulin. ओके, इंसुलिन क्या करता है? इंसुलिन शुगर लेवल को हमारे बॉडी में रेगुलेट करने का काम करता है। जैसे कि इसको ऐसे समझ सकते हैं, जब भी आप कुछ भी चीज़ खाते हैं, है ना? तो वो तो हमारा बॉडी क्या करता है, उसको ब्रेक डाउन करता है फूड को ग्लूकोज में। अब ये ग्लूकोज किस में जाता है? फिर ब्लड में जाता है। फिर इंसुलिन का क्या काम, क्या है एक्चुअल में? इंसुलिन का काम इस ग्लूकोज को, है ना, ब्लड से सेल तक सेंड करने का काम करता है। और जब ये ग्लूकोज सेल में इंटर कर जाता है तो इमीडिएटली या तो ये एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, या तो ये स्टोर हो जाता है। ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से ये शुगर लेवल को मेंटेन करने का काम करता है हमारे बॉडी में। सो दैट इज वाई इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So now we'll see the sources. So these are the sources of proteins: meat, fish, eggs, dairy products. Okay, then plant-based that beans are there, and some nuts are there. In grains, there are brown sugar, and barley. These are rich in protein. And in vegetables, you see the broccoli and spinach. These are the rich. These all are the rich in protein. Okay, so this all about the protein. Just basics I have covered in this video. In the next video, I will discuss about all the structure: primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary, and also about the types of protein. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can contact in foodtechinsight@gmail.com. Thank you.